Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare Creatine Monohydrate tablets versus powder. We'll explore the key differences between these two popular forms, helping you decide which is best for your fitness goals. We'll look at factors like convenience, cost, and how your body absorbs each type. Understanding these aspects will ensure you make an informed choice for your supplement regimen. Creatine powder is often the more economical choice, providing more servings for your money. It's incredibly versatile, easily mixing into water, juice, or your favorite protein shake. This form also allows for precise dosing, so you can easily adjust your intake, whether you're in a loading phase or maintaining your levels. Many find its quick dissolution beneficial for absorption. For those prioritizing convenience, creatine tablets are an excellent option. They are incredibly portable, making them perfect for travel or taking to the gym without any fuss. Each tablet provides a pre-measured dose, ensuring consistency and eliminating the need for scoops or shakers. Simply swallow with water, and you're good to go, no mixing required. When deciding, consider that powder typically dissolves faster, potentially leading to quicker absorption. Tablets, while convenient, might contain additional binders or fillers not present in pure creatine powder. Ultimately, both forms are effective, so your choice depends on personal preference for cost, convenience, and how you prefer to consume supplements. Check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.